Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your microphone not working on VIVO V60E. Let's begin! So, first of all, most of the problems with your microphone are related to the fact that it's not actually your device that's using the microphone, instead it's some sort of Bluetooth device. As you can see, I currently have these earbuds connected, but I actually didn't know I had them connected, I just had them opened. And because this is how earbuds work, you can see by the Bluetooth icon that I am automatically connected to that device. So, it's very important to note that when we are connected to whatever kind of headphones or earbuds, it doesn't really matter, our phone is essentially useless, at least on the field of providing microphone and speaker value, because these things are taking the responsibility of using the microphone and the speakers. So our microphone is now inside the earbuds, so are the speakers. So if we try to talk with somebody on our microphone via our device, while having some sort of Bluetooth device connected, we have the feeling that our microphone is essentially broken and it's just not working correctly. Which kind of is true, kind of, and we can easily just test that by just disabling Bluetooth. And now there is no way that our audio is getting rerouted. However, that is of course not everything, because there is a very high chance that your microphone built in your device can be faulty. Now, usually it's unfortunately some sort of physical damage, because in the terms of software, there isn't much you can do. Technically, you could go into the settings, you can try to go into, I believe, security and privacy. And then we have more security settings. Oh, sorry, not more security settings, but the permission manager. And then we have the microphone here, and sometimes certain applications just don't have enough permissions to use your microphone, even if they need to. So for example, if you I don't know, talking with somebody on Discord or Messenger, and they don't have access to your microphone, well then that's a shame, because they can't play your microphone, giving you the illusion that the microphone is not working correctly. However, as I said before, most of the time it's some sort of physical damage. We can try to clean the microphone port. However, you want to clean it using soft toothbrush, maybe wooden toothpick at best. I would strongly not advise you to use any kind of metallic needles on pins or whatever, because this will just result in further damage, most of the time at least. And yeah, also a little diagnostic test you can do is to simply go into the voice recorder, which is right here, and then you can just record your voice. You can try to talking from this side, from another side, from back sides, and then you can just specifically hear out what is wrong with your microphone. If there is no audio at all, then your microphone just might be dead. I'm not going to lie. However, if you can hear yourself but it's very not loud, or you feel farting or any kinds of noise glitches, then there is once again something physical wrong with your phone, with your microphone, and you want to clean it. Alternatively, you can take your phone to phone workshop in your area, or Vivo shop or something, and ask them for help, or even better, a refund if you still have your warranty. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.